I wanted to share a gift idea that I thought was pretty neat. You can make a lot of these. I should have got out all my materials before I started, but this is just a project share. So I ordered a big kit of the velvet ribbon, and I will link things in the description box. And I also got some kits of the ribbon. I don't even know what you call these things, but the ribbon clamps, and it's super easy. You just cut out the length that you want, and then you're going to clamp down on each side of the ribbon. And then I just put a little detail on each of them. I didn't want to put too much because you're going to put it inside of a book, or a journal or something. So you don't want too much on the end of it. And then I just used various little things to decorate. And I made up a whole lot of these. And my idea was, and I also ordered these little seal bags, and I will link them if I can find them also. And then what I did was I used my alphabet punch board, and then I just kind of eyeballed it and kind of put my signature there on it. And then I just slid these down, and then I used different things on the end of it. And I have made these a while back. I've had these in my stash, and I thought that this was neat to share for little gift ideas for Christmas, for a book lover, for little stocking stuffers, little gift ideas. I've already, like I said, gave some away for birthdays and things throughout the year, and I just keep these in my little stash, but I thought that I would share. I will also link, if I find the things that I ordered them from Amazon for some of these, I will link them there. But I just wanted to kind of show a few little things there. And now this one was just a simple one from the Dollar Tree that I had in my stash. And this is actually, I have one of these. Like I said, I don't have anything prepared. I have one of these actually in my big Bible that I used all the time. So I can attest that this actually has held up. And so I've had this for quite a while. So I know it's been going on about a good year that I've used this. And like I said, this is one of those ones that I picked up from the ribbon that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and it has held up. And so, like I said, you just use your little clamp, you clamp down on each, and then you see here, it's going to be dangling. I didn't want to put too much. And then this is a pretty big book, so this is why I kind of made this kind of long, because it can fit in a big thick book like this, but then you can also fit it in something small. And so, like I said, that one has held up for quite a while. And so, and then there's like a little like mini kind of bow, and then there's like yellow. So I have got several here that I have just picked up. And then I kind of made one that was 3 different strands. I didn't play around with this one too much because, as you can see, it's kind of got a little, I don't know how to describe it. I didn't want to get it where it wouldn't function. So I would say definitely no more than 3. And of course, I picked a bigger ring on it. But this is a 3-strander here. But just several that I have in my stash that I can utilize for gifts and things. And then just something simple detailed on the back. So I just wanted to share this. I keep this in a nice little box. Just keep this little idea